Have you ever wondered how a humble rail splitter rose to become one of America's greatest presidents? Abraham Lincoln's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Born in 1809 in a one-room log cabin in Kentucky, Lincoln faced countless challenges. His early life was marked by poverty, but his love for reading and learning set him apart. Lincoln's political career began in the Illinois state legislature, but it was his debates with Stephen A. Douglas in 1858 that catapulted him into the national spotlight. Elected as the 16th president in 1860, Lincoln faced the secession of Southern states and the onset of the Civil War. His leadership and commitment to preserving the Union were crucial. Lincoln's Emancipation Proclamation in 1863 changed the course of the war and the nation, declaring freedom for enslaved people in Confederate states. Lincoln's legacy is profound. His vision of a united nation and the principles of liberty continue to inspire generations, shaping America's identity. Today, Lincoln's lessons on leadership, equality, and resilience resonate more than ever, reminding us of the importance of unity in a divided world.